What is happening, guys? I am Craig, this is Cherie. Welcome to Vlad's Life. That's what they all do, isn't it? That's what all YouTubers do, they're all the same. In this week's video, we're going to Scarborough. Roll the intro. Do you well, I need a bit more of this. Scarborough. Made it to the beach.
Your mic on?
It's absolutely lovely. Mic's on, yeah, I don't think I had it on up there.
I thought it was flashing green.
No.
Oh. Yeah, it's cold. Bang, bang. Come here. What's this? Come on. These waves are awesome. I left my board at home, otherwise I'd been doing some 360s and some, you know, like rongies, some kick flips and that. So I don't know how much footage Tree managed to record then. Well,
find out when we get back. And just for the record, we're using a new camera for the first time, and I've absolutely no idea what we're doing, so if this comes out terrible, I'm sure he's going to murder me. I spent quite a bit of dough on it, but it'll be worth it when we've got 1 million followers. Do you think that'll happen?
No.
I reckon it could happen this week.
This week?
When everyone sees me in the sea like James Bond.
Yeah, you did look pretty decent.
Oh yeah. When don't I look decent, mate?
Well, there is that.
What do you think to this beach?
Lovely.
Nice, isn't it?
I'd come on holiday here.
Well, I won't go that far.
Why?
Ollie, seriously. What you got, Maggie? What has she got? Oi! So we've made it to Scarborough North Beach. This is where the fun starts for us, because these helmets do not like being on the lead. So far so good, but this could get quite stressful. So there's the famous Scarborough pirate ship heading out to find some treasure, I guess. Speedboat, that looks rough on that speedboat, doesn't it? Do you fancy?
What, the docks?
Yeah, they'll be alright. Sorry about the wind. So we've walked down from the shell shack over there, down the harbour wall, which gives you a great view of the town. When the sun comes out, it's lovely, but it's just a lot of cloud at the minute. Maggie. What's up, Mag? What's the matter?
There's some fish.
What's the matter? To the chippy. Shaz.
To the chippy.
Let's do it. So obviously earlier I was like James Bond coming out of the sea. So I thought it only fitting. We come to a Casino Royale.
Fits your quality of James Bond and all.
You what?
So it fits your quality of James Bond.
What does that mean?
Well, where's the other one? Where's
Monaco.
Monaco, yeah. But yours is in Scarborough.
I did the same video when I went to Monaco. Just don't put it out yet.
Oh, right.
I'm a man of the people, Shrew. And I'm going to win a teddy before we go, so how'd you like that?
Nice. I'm requesting that Yoda.
Oh yeah, I'm not winning that, am I?
Why?
No, it's put it, it's too big. I'm going to get a little one. For Maggie.
Oh, what about Bob?
Holly didn't have them. How is it, Shaz?
Is it not for
So we finally found a table at the, what's this called? This place. And we've got a beer, we've got some chips.
the anchor?
Oh, the anchor.
Give away there.
They look amazing.
I'm eating something.
Meg, what are you doing?
Got feathers on it.
Go on. Can't go.
No, I'm trying to. Molly thinks she's in a car. Bloody hell. I'm so scared, I can't look out.
So, Shez, what do you think to this?
I don't like it when we stop.
We're right at the top of the big wheel with some incredible viewage. Grand Hotel. I'm literally just stood up. What's your problem? Some decent views. It's nice. Yeah. Oh, you can keep adjusting it. Meanwhile, several hours later. This is it, all or nothing. I think it's a fixture, you know.
We've done in Scarborough now. Heading home.
Tree's driving, which is an occasion. Not happy about it, then, were you? Scarborough was alright, to be fair.
Yeah, it was. I enjoyed it.
Busy though. Too busy for us. We might come back in the winter when it's blustery. That's when it's best, isn't it? Cold, freezing, nothing open.
Maybe one light tea shop.
Yeah. Well, you do what we've done today. Get chips, get a drink, and come back. But we did go on the big wheel.
Yeah, that was fun.
Shree lost her mind at the amusements, got thrown out.
Did not.
You did? Why are you lying? Everyone saw your attitude, so kicked off. So we're going back now, and hopefully this makes a half decent video. Peace out.